Hi, welcome along everyone. Did a video a little while ago on taking the grills off of central heating radiators. I showed the double radiator being done, how to get them off so you can clean behind them. They are dust traps, aren't they? I've been asked about single panel ones. Seems some of you are having a bit of trouble getting those off as well. So I'm going to show you the two different types I've got here and how you can get them off. Well, the first sort I'm going to show you is this type. This is a single panel, and this is the non-wraparound type. You know, I mean, the grill doesn't go completely right around the back of the radiator, so this is very, very easy to do because this panel just lifts off. If it's a bit tight, just get a little screwdriver down there, get it in the hinge there, just pop it up like so. Once that's popped up, you can pull it out and lift that away. Okay, once it's lifted off, you've got that side off, and then you can just lift the grid away like so, as you can see. Pull it right up and take it off. Okay, I'm not going to change the rest. It's easy peasy. If you've got that sort, a piece of cake, obviously. But the problem some of you are having is with the other type, which I'll show you now. So this one here is the one that most of you are having problem removing the grill from. It kind of wraps around the back. The metal goes right around. It's hard to show you from here because it's under a worktop, but it actually, the metal goes round and down. To make life easier for all you guys, I'm going to take this rad off the wall and take it out and show you, because it's going to be easier. If it didn't have a worktop above it, it would mean, but this is the only other single I've got that is the wraparound back type. So I'm going to take it off and show you how to do the removal of the grills. Right then, so here's our kitchen radiator. I've taken it off just for you lot. Well, the things I have to do. Now then, take my own rad off, there's nothing wrong with it. This is the wraparound type that I was talking about. You can see that the panel kind of wraps around the back of the radiator, so here. A closer look at this now, this clip. You can see it through the back of the rad there, and you can see where it dips down there. I hope you got it on the camera there. And you can see where it's kind of holding against the rad grill. It's holding that top on with a kind of spring clip. You can see the back of the clip there. And what we've got to do is get a screwdriver down in there and just release the clip. Right, next tricky part of the job is to pass a screwdriver down through the grill, and I don't know if you can see it there alright, but put it behind the clip so it clears the radiator. Okay, next part of the operation is just take these bits off, just bits of plastic stuck on the back of the rad. They do just click off, they're a bit tight, just get a screwdriver and pop them off, but mine are quite loose. And that'll leave you with that then. Let's come to the end of the radiator and get another screwdriver and see if you can pop that off now, like so. Right, I've just come out of shot there, sorry about that. Just pop it off both sides with a screwdriver. Try not to damage anything if you can. Okay, and you'll find it all pops up like so. As you can see, there's our horrible clip that was clamping it and causing us all the problems. It's rather a nasty type of design for these single panels, but never mind. Same then on the other end, we take the panel grip off the end and lift it out, get the screwdriver, get it in there and get it off. Okay, try not to damage anything, and we just put it away and we got our top off. There it is on the deck. Sorry about this one-handed camera operation today, but Jan's not with me. That now leaves us clear to clean through and do the grills. Give it a good old shining up, get rid of that dust. So if you take a proper look at that now, you can see quite how it goes with the hook mechanism, and obviously the two clamp parts that go over the valve ends at the end. You can see quite exactly how it works. When you have a look like this, you can see, I see how it goes, and it all comes to you how to do it, doesn't it? But this is the real tricky one of the single panel rad. I know some doubles have got a similar mechanism, but most of them have got what are in the video that I've already done, which is a simple lift off, as in the first rad I've shown you doing a single rad on this video itself. I will give you a link though for that double one if you want to clean a double one out, get the grills off. I'll link that up for you. Just line it up on top. Like, I'm doing it one-handed, as I say, Jan's not around today. Get that clip down there in the centre one. You'll know it's in the centre because it's right off each end, and literally just push it down and it will clamp like so. Once it's clamped back on there, we can lift up and get our ends in. As you can see, we've got enough movement, easy to lift the ends up to get the end shots in there. And there you are, they just slot in there, as you can see. You can see the little lips there. They just literally go in behind there. You can see it there. Okay, down inside there, and you're locked in place. Do the other end and we're ready to put it back. Well, I've got to put this back, didn't we, because I took it off to show you. What am I like? Right then, that just leaves us with the... Dropped it. The little badges to go in. Yeah, okay, just pop back in there. Alright, quite simple, just stick them back. And that's the job done. Hopefully that's helped you out on that one. Righto, that's it then. Promised one of my subscribers I'd show him how to do that job. He was a bit stuck on it. I'm sure lots of other you have had trouble with that problem as well, so good one to put out there. Okay, you know where to go, all my usual stuff, Derek from 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.